Welcome back. Today we're diving into the top 5 most popular customizations for your WAV. Let's jump in. First on our list is the power ramp and tailgate. This little upgrade takes the hassle out of manual ramps. At the press of a button, the ramp smoothly folds out or retracts, making entry and exit even easier. A steering ball attaches to your steering wheel, making it easier to turn with just one hand. This is especially useful if you have limited mobility or you need to control other vehicle functions at the same time. Privacy glass is designed to reduce visibility from the outside while keeping your car's interior cool and comfortable. Push and pull hand controls replace the need for foot pedals. It's simple. Push forward to brake and pull back to accelerate. This setup gives you full control of the car using just your hands. Tip and fold seats are great for carrying extra passengers without impeding on space. And there you have it, our top 5 most popular customizations for WAVs. Tell us your favourite in the comments below and we'll see you in the next video.